Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Sleep Number ComfortFit Pillow. This pillow combines memory foam with down alternative fibers to offer a unique sleeping experience. I've been testing it out for the past few weeks, so let's get into the details. The Sleep Number ComfortFit Pillow comes in 3 different shapes: classic, curved, and ultimate. Each shape is designed to cater to different sleeping styles, whether you're a back, side, or stomach sleeper. I opted for the classic shape, which is ideal for back and stomach sleepers. It features a blend of memory foam and down alternative fibers, providing both support and plush comfort. The pillow's construction includes a breathable lyocell blend cover, which helps with temperature regulation, ensuring you stay cool throughout the night. The materials are hypoallergenic, making it suitable for those with allergies to down feathers. In terms of comfort, I found the Sleep Number ComfortFit Pillow to be exceptionally plush yet supportive. The memory foam molds to the shape of your head and neck, providing a cradling effect that's great for relieving pressure points. Whether I slept on my back or side, the pillow maintained its shape and support throughout the night. It's worth noting that the pillow comes in different loft options. The classic and curved shapes have a fixed loft, while the ultimate shape allows you to adjust the loft by adding or removing inserts. This customization is a great feature, especially if you prefer a specific height for optimal support. One of the standout features of the Sleep Number ComfortFit Pillow is its excellent temperature regulation. The breathable cover and the combination of materials ensure that heat doesn't get trapped, keeping you cool and comfortable. During my testing, even with layers of bedding, I didn't experience any overheating issues. While the pillow doesn't feel cool to the touch, its breathability prevents it from becoming uncomfortably warm, which is crucial for a restful night's sleep. When it comes to care, the Sleep Number ComfortFit Pillow has a spot clean only recommendation for the classic and curved shapes. However, the ultimate shape features a removable cover that can be machine washed for added convenience. The pillow's hypoallergenic materials and CertiPure US certified foam ensure that it's free from harmful chemicals and allergens, making it a safe choice for sensitive sleepers. After testing the Sleep Number ComfortFit Pillow extensively, I can confidently say it's a standout option in the pillow market. If you're looking for a pillow that combines the plushness of down alternative with the support of memory foam, this could be a great fit for you. It's well suited for back and stomach sleepers, though side sleepers might prefer the adjustable loft option of the ultimate shape. That wraps up our review of the Sleep Number ComfortFit Pillow. If you've tried this pillow yourself, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.